guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto Mining 2024. So on today's video, I want to take you through the mobile version of ATHENE wallet, which is known as HEXOBANK. This HEXOBANK. So today I want to take you through HEXOBANK. So basically, when you go to the Telegram's page, under this post, when you scroll a bit down, you'll see here it's saying, note, ATHENE wallet is currently available for desktops, and if you want a mobile version, simply download HEXOBANK for Web3 features on your mobile device. So basically I made a video for the desktop wallet version. Now I'm doing a video on the mobile version. So okay, come and open this link, or you can just head on to Play Store and search for HEXOBANK. So any way can do, any method can do. So okay, just go to Google Play and download the HEXOBANK. So you can see, so just head on to Google Play, download the HEXOBANK app. So okay, install it. Okay, so okay, after installing it, come and open it. So open the HEXOBANK app like that. Then okay, so it's loading. Then okay, welcome to HEXOBANK, Trustback. Okay, come and tap here, get started. So HEXOBANk only works for Androids. You cannot install a HEXOBANK on your PC or computer. So okay, under this option you can see wallet setup, import secret recovery phrase and create new wallet. For this option, just come and tap import, because I assume you did those, you transferred your Dogecoin in your MetaMask wallet. So come and import your wallet here. So come and tap import. Then okay, I agree. Then okay, I agree. Then accept. Scroll down, accept. Then you can see we are required to input our seed phrase, our password, then confirming password, then import. So okay, for the seed phrase, go and take your MetaMask seed phrase and come and paste it here. So okay, for the open your MetaMask. Okay, let's open our MetaMask and get the seed phrase. Okay, here we are. Head on to settings. Okay, then under security and privacy, open security and privacy. Then reveal a recovery phrase, then get started. Can't help you, continue. You're being scammed, continue. Then okay, the password. Then after inputting the password, come and tap next. Then hold to reveal the phrase. Okay, hold. Then okay, there's your phrase. So copy it or write it somewhere, because this is what we're going to use to import to our HEXOBANK wallet. After copying your wallet, now go back to the HEXOBANK app. And open it. So okay, here is where you left it at. Okay, come and input your phrase. Okay, then come confirm your password, and make sure your password is a strong password, because it will act as a layer of security for your wallet. Then after the details are all filled correct, and you can now come and import your wallet. So okay, come and tap import wallet. Okay, it's loading. Okay, there we have it. Your wallet is ready. Remember, if you lose your secret recovery phrase, you lose your if you lose your secret recovery phrase, you lose to your wallet. You lose access to your wallet. So basically, this means that you need not to lose your paraphrase, or if you lose it, you lose your account and your tokens. Okay, come and tap your done. Okay, then okay. Okay, so if you import your wallet successfully, you will see that your tokens are appearing on your HEXOBANK account. You can see my Doge appearing, my gas fee is also appearing. I don't have any ATH on my wallet, that's why it's 0. But all of these tokens, you can see they have appeared successfully. So when you see this means that you have imported your wallet successfully. So basically that's how you set up your HEXOBANK wallet account. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and if you're user to my channel, continue watching my videos for more mining updates.